Hello and welcome back to Alyena's kitchen, where today we're going to be making an orange creamsicle smoothie, and it's so delicious and full of healthy ingredients. Now it's time to start making our smoothie. So to start with, I have about a half a cup of ice, which I'm just going to put in my blender because it's a very hot day. And the other frozen ingredient I have is 1 cup of frozen banana, which I just chopped up into tiny pieces. Now the next ingredient I'm going to be adding in is my orange zest. So I just have the zest of 1 large orange. And I also have orange juice. So today I have 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice that I'm going to be adding in. And I always recommend using freshly squeezed juices because they give such a good flavor and there's no added sugar in them, which I love. And I also have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And my last ingredient is my yogurt. If you want to make this more desserty, you can actually add in a big scoop of ice cream. But today I'm going to go on the healthier side and just add in half a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. Alright. And that's all there is to it. Let's blend it together. Okay, and here we have our orange creamsicle smoothie. Ooh, it looks so good too. It has that really pretty color, which I like. Today I'm also switching it up a little bit, so I have a traditional glass, or if you want to get a little fancy, I scooped out the innards of my orange, and I'm going to be drinking it out of an orange and topping it with some ice cream because I wanted something a little sweeter today. So let's do it. Here we have our beautiful finished smoothies, and we even have a dessert variety of it. So now I have to taste. So tasty, so refreshing. I absolutely love it. Let me try the ice cream one now too. You know, gotta give both a try. So tasty. Brings me right back to my childhood, which I absolutely love. I remember being a kid and having orange creamsicles all the time, so this is so tasty. So if you guys do love smoothies as much as I do, I should have a playlist right here of all my smoothie recipes, so you could go check that out. And also, please let me know if you tried this smoothie and what you think in the comments down below, and which one you tried. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.